Hi friends, I'm sure you love today's recipe of Lotus Biscoff cupcakes. I've used my last cupcakes recipe. I'll leave the link down below where you can check this recipe and make few cupcakes for yourself. I've used Lotus Biscoff biscuits. You can easily order them from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Also, I've used few crumbs of this biscuits to decorate it with. Also, I've got Lotus Biscoff spread for this recipe. You also have to melt this down, 2 tablespoons of Biscoff. You can melt it with a double boiler or in the microwave. Also, take a half cup of whipping cream. I've used a Tropolite whipping cream over here. Now in this recipe, I've taken a nozzle. If you don't have a nozzle, you can use bottle caps to make cavities in the cupcakes. Also press down the crumbs so that you can get maximum space to fill your cupcakes with. Do not throw the caps away. I've kept the caps aside. Now take the melted Lotus Biscoff spread and fill up your cavities generously. Do not overfill your cavities because the spillage chances are much higher. In case you don't have a Lotus Biscoff spread and you cannot find it on Amazon, you can easily grind up your Biscoff biscuits in a mixer with a few tablespoons of milk in it. You'll easily make the Lotus Biscoff spread at home. Now close the cupcakes with the cavities that we have kept aside. Now I've taken the half cup of whipping cream and whipping it up with the lowest speed until the whipping cream just starts to thicken up. Now that my whipping cream has a little bit thick, I've increased the speed to highest and now starting to whip it until we find the soft peaks in the whipping cream. Now I'm adding the few crumbs that we have kept aside, and we have to leave few crumbs to decorate the cupcake with. Also, I've left up with the Lotus Biscoff spread and I've added in the whipping cream. This will just add up the flavor in your cupcakes. Now that our icing is ready, you can fill a piping bag with this icing and you can use a star nozzle for the decoration. Or if you don't have a star nozzle, you can see what I've done with the cupcakes, how I've decorated it with. I've cut few biscuits in half and kept aside. See, one of the cupcake, you can decorate it like that directly. If not, you can make dollops of whipping creams directly with a piping bag. This looks equally beautiful. Now that our cupcakes are iced properly, fill up another piping bag with the lotus biscuit spread and just drizzle it over your cupcakes. With the spoon it is a little bit difficult, hence I've used a piping bag. Also, with the leftover biscuit crumbs, you can decorate your cupcakes. This will give a nice crunch to your cupcakes. But make sure you eat these cupcakes as soon as you make it up, because the biscuits will just become soggy. Now I've just decorated the cupcakes with the half cut biscuits. This will just add up the beauty of these cupcakes. Now I've just used edible glitter to just increase its beauty further. This is again optional. If you don't have edible glitter, you can skip this part. I'll show you the inside of the cupcake, how it looks. You remember we have filled the cupcakes with the melted Biscoff spread. Just look at the beauty. Because you have filled up your cupcakes with the biscuit spread, it will just instantly melt in your mouth. This is just another beautiful recipe, very easy to make if you have just Lotus Biscoff biscuits. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes. More recipes, more tasty, worthy recipes coming up your way. Thank you so much. Bye.